Hi there! So I recently bought this Bluetooth speaker that also doubles as a flame lamp. Actually, you can even call it like a candlelight experience. It has the look to it which I found very fascinating. A perfect Bluetooth speaker to have for your trek, for your camping trips, on the beach, on your work desk, or even on your dinner table for that perfect candlelight date. Now at times you can't actually light a candle, so this should do the job for you. And plus it'll play music for you at the same time, which I think is pretty cool. So let me take you through my experience with it, a quick unboxing, I'll share what's good and what's not, so you can decide if this one is worth your money or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the iGear BeDazzle. Now this is a flame atmosphere speaker, 2-in-1, flame effect light as well as 5-watt Bluetooth speaker. Here's the image of the speaker. On the side you have the list of features, ambient light, 5-watt Bluetooth speaker, Bluetooth 5.0, flame effect light, it comes with auto connect, water resistant, it's portable, 1800 mAh rechargeable battery, 8 hours flame lamp time and 6 hours music playback time. On the other side, it's the same image. Here you have some manufacturing details and the MRP, which is 3,750. Alright, let's quickly open it up. And here's the speaker itself. A micro USB to USB charging cable. And an instruction manual. That's it. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. Okay, my god, that's nice. So the first thing that you need to know is that it's really light. Very portable, weighs just 570 grams. So literally can be taken anywhere you want. Now on the top part, you can see this is where you're going to see the lamp. And here at the bottom are the speakers. There you go. The build quality is really nice. This is made of plastic though, but the quality is fantastic. If you look through these grills, you can actually see the speaker grill as well. Metal speaker grill, which will make the speaker sound really good. You have the iGear branding, you have the controls here. So now these buttons are tactile buttons. They are actually buttons you can press. So really nice. So you have the power button, you have the volume down button, you have the pause play button, volume up and down, and the light button. On the other side here is the micro USB port to charge the speaker. Now I so wish this was USB-C, but sadly it has micro USB. Anyway, on the top you can see it has this hook. So basically you can hang it anywhere, on a loop, on a hook, anywhere in your house or even outside on a tree. It's really nice. It's actually a really good idea. You can hang your speaker. Since it's also a light, it's going to be also really nice. At the bottom, the BeDazzle branding, flame atmosphere speaker, really nice. Alright, let's pair it and put it to use. So we've got our Android phone here. We take the speaker, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds. A blue indicator light and then a turn on sound. Now go to your phone's Bluetooth setting and search. You'll find iGear BeDazzle. Click and you're done in a couple of seconds. I just realized that the phone's display wasn't in focus while recording. Apologies for that. Alright, so we already paired. Now first thing we're going to do is to check out that light. Okay, so what we do is we press this light button here. And there you go. Wow. That's actually mimicking like a flame, I can say. Or actually like a bonfire. It's really nice. And there's no way to change anything of this light. You press this button again and it turns off. You press and hold, there's nothing. There's just one light here. It's not going to react according to the music either. But it's just like a nice candle light there on the table where it'll also mimic the light as well as you can listen to music from it. So I like the light. I can tell you that it really stands out in a dark environment, on a table or on a corner table or probably even on a bedside table. It's like a nice light to look at, and also you can hang it somewhere like I said before. It's going to look pretty nice. I wish they had more colors and they had probably more effects, maybe a lightning effect, something more. But I think the idea of this speaker is that it'll give you that candlelight kind of a bonfire kind of a light experience. A romantic, simple, easy, not hard hitting light that stays on the side of your table as well as it doubles as a Bluetooth speaker. So I get the idea. It's a really nice concept. Looks also very nice. Alright, let's play some music and see. So we're using some copyright-free music and of course we're using a microphone so that we can get a better idea of how the audio sounds. Okay. Okay, so first thing to notice is that when you press the plus button, it actually doesn't increase the volume, it changes the track. And if you want to increase the volume, press and hold. Wow, sounds pretty good actually. And you can reduce the volume. So you have to press and hold to reduce or increase. That's full volume actually. If you want to change the track, so the audio quality is pretty good considering these are just 5-watt speakers. The best part is that they provide 360-degree of sound experience. It's got good acoustics and they're very clear. Bass isn't its strongest part, but it's decent, and I can say it's hard to expect too much bass on a speaker of this size. It comes with 1800 mAh battery that will provide 8 hours of flame lamp time and 6 hours of music playback. However, you must keep in mind that the music playback time will be longer if you kept these lights turned off. Now, let's talk about the cons. Now, the charging port that they provided in this is a micro USB. Come on guys, it's 2021, almost 2022 actually. It's high time we got a USB-C port, which means when you're traveling with it, you need to carry that extra cable, which is something I wouldn't like. Then you can't answer or use this speaker in any way for phone calls. Now that I'm thinking about it, that might actually be a pro. Now this speaker is designed to relax your mood with light music. So phone calls wouldn't be the most ideal thing to have on it. And I think I'm happy that it doesn't have it. The iGear BeDazzle Flame Lamp Bluetooth speaker is priced at $3,500, which isn't exactly budget friendly considering there are other Bluetooth speakers in the market for a lot lesser. But consider the flame light effect and the excellent build quality, the portability, I'd say it's something you should definitely consider. Looks nice, it stands out completely, and also pretty decent audio quality. It's available on Amazon.in. I'll leave the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.